Yaipare akwai ngasi Malem Palcha kumsing lisingom ga samari kunga nitoi akwai saliba tha August habade akwai mitei kita August tha se thawan thaina khani sujda akwai tha khudingi Mangjounana Malem nikpa earthquake thokthringi mamang da hana Mangjounana laukthorpa date tarikh section kadaba sing adu aina tha khudingi laukthorpagi makha satar koina August tha gi akwai section kadaba Malem Niklakkadaba kariguma Malem nikpo itargadi aina laukthoiba date sing asita nikani haibagi Mangjounana laukthorpa se myamda asik pathok sarage ana sik section wa viewer Malem Niklakkadaba Mangjounana Khanghanjaba earthquake prediction of August 2024 ngasi Malem Palcha kumsing lising ahumga samari kungani thoigi saliba thawan August tha lising ahumga samari kungani thoi sok lising ani ga kunmari thawan August tha asigi Malem nikpa panthoibi sing khaiba laipak niklakkadaba yaba earthquake prediction masa masu kitang sakotpa mayai oina nikpa achaupa niklakkadaba thorkadaba purmuk sing asigi akhoi date sing adu thawan thagi August tha asigi Mangjounana aina lautok sarage hariba akhoi Mangjounana akhoi Khanghanjaba Malem niklakpa yaba niklakkadaba sesat date tang sing adu August thagi nijare tarik sesat ahum sesat taret sesat nipan sesat mapan sesat tara ka mathoi sesat tara ka nithoi sesat taramthoi sesat tara mari sesat tara manga sesat traipan sesat trampan sesat kun ga mari sesat kun ga taru sesat kun ga taret sesat kun ga nipan sesat kun ga mapan sesat kun tra hariba sesat date tarik sing asi thawan August tha asigi akwai Malem niklakpa oitargadi masi hariba date tang sing tarik sing asida suda niklakani aruga leboriba date tarik sing aduda August thagi oina Malem nikpa si anamana kanglai pakta tholo chiniko Mangjounana aina lauthokchari jana saida hariba thawan August thagi sesat date sing asida akwai aina lauthoktaba akwai date tarik sing adudi thawan August tha sigi oina kanglai pakta Malem nikpa earthquake asi tholo shiniko masi adubu hariba aina lautholiba Mangjounana lautholiba thawan August thagi Malem niklakpa yaba niklakkadaba Mangjounana Khanghanjariba akhoi date tarik sing asi masi akhoi fan kanglai pak asigi wada natana akhoi masi Assam Tekau Burma Nagaland all India country all state inside all world country state district sing dasu hariba en lautholiba date tarik sing asida anamana Malem nikpa earthquake thokan gan he siniko ana saida lautholiba date sing ase this is the very important dates what I announcing before earthquake the dates of August 2024 this is the prediction dates of earthquake okay 3 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 18 19 20 24 26 27 28 29 30 extra okay this given dates is the very important of August 2024 because we have to remember and take care because if earthquake occur this given dates will be short earthquake occur. This is the earthquake prediction dates of August 2024. All world countries, states, and districts also including. Okay. Therefore, yeah, we have to remember. We have to not forget. Okay. Because of when we reach this dates of August 2024, will be find occur earthquake suddenly. Okay. Therefore, we have to remember before earthquake. This the given dates is the very important uh, uh, of August. Okay. Therefore, see that any pijariba masigi earthquake prediction gi dates singasi akogi August thagi line lautoli basi masi kanagumoi koi sinang jingna akogi paucheda khabar da newspaper da akogi as TV da kaida lauto kotopa masi jadi agi ayab yaudana masi lauto piganu masi kai marang gi hai matam da ai ayab yaudana lauthomba thengna ba thobadi hai ba mi du madu ai nati learning to sana mai gi thaktegi akogi kudong thiba awa ji ngangkhoi leitana ma sugoi soidana masi phangani aduna masi tawide maduna. Please don't copy and send without my permission to any others. Okay. If that you may be fine, do worry. You regret suddenly your life. From God, surely 100%. Okay. Thank you.